Our beloved Apollonia is an 8-month-old tabby with splashes of orange on her head and paws. Apollonia showed up on our doorstep about a month ago. Our neighborhood has a lot of friendly strays, but she was the first cat to practically invite herself into our home. She walked right up to my partner and rubbed against his legs. He realized how young she was and that she wasn't microchipped, so he brought her inside and texted me at work, "We have another one, and she's super friendly." And she really was super friendly. Apollonia loved to be picked up and cuddled from day one. You can cradle her like a baby, and she'll look deeply into your eyes and purr softly. She even likes to be carried around tucked under your arms so she can take in her surroundings. Every foster is unique, and it's very rewarding to discover what makes each cat special. With Apollonia, I was immediately drawn in by how easy it was to communicate with her. Apollonia is very expressive with her eyes and her soft chirps. She loves to be a part of your life, whether you're trying to unload groceries, you're trying to stretch, or you're posing her like a little doll. She's also very responsive to her name, your tone of voice, and even your mood. She is also deeply affectionate. Apollonia will always greet me with a soft squeak. Even from the deepest sleep, she will wake up to chirp at me and will often bound over to sleep by my side. Most days, I wake up with her curled by my side. Another one of Apollonia's charms is her boundless confidence. She loves meeting new people and once spent an entire dinner party enticing our guests to toss springs around for her to play with. But as much as she loves people, Apollonia is very cat social. She gets along equally well with male cats and female cats of all ages. I cannot overstate how important playtime is for Apollonia. She's very active and she loves to chase springs and balls and wand toys. She enjoys herself most when she can run around and play with other cats, and therefore she will need to go to a home with another young and active cat. Apollonia can definitely handle herself around other cats and loves to wrestle, so if you have a boisterous cat looking for a playmate, Apollonia is your girl. It's been such a pleasure to have Apollonia in our home and to see her personality blossom. I think my favorite thing about her is that I can tell she's always thinking, and she's really attuned to her human's thoughts and emotions. She's the kind of cat you could call your best friend and totally mean it. She's less of a child and more of a life companion. I find that I can have conversations with her, and I feel like she's listening to me and she's trying to connect with me.